What's going on, Blue Ridge Mountain family? Is that what we're called, Blue Ridge?
Blue Ridge family?
That was totally messed up. There was a goofy guy at work that calls it that. All right. What's going on, Blue Ridge family? So today we are coming up on 1 year anniversary of this channel.
How do you start a YouTube video? I don't know. YouTube, how you doing?
We technically started it on Thanksgiving last year. So just prior to that, we had thought a whole lot about starting a channel. So me and Shannon went on a hike to Chestnut Bluff, Chestnut Mountain. It's on the Hiwassee River, which Polk County. See here, kind of a not hard place to find, and you'll see there's lots of activity here. People riding horses. We've even got our local Amish community comes up just to kind of hang out up here. So it's a beautiful place. But there was one picture. This sounds crazy, but there was one picture that Shannon took of me overlooking the valley, and for whatever reason, I don't know, we just kind of spurned me. Is that a word?
Mm-hmm.
Spurned me.
Spurred you.
Spurred me.
I'm always sure.
We don't know. She's the former ELA teacher.
I know, but I'm outside and away from that.
So that's kind of what, I guess, give me the idea to start doing this for real. So we're going to take you back up there. It's a very, very steep hike. This is not going to be a long video because there really isn't a whole lot to this. You basically hike straight up the mountain, find a spot on the bluff, take a look at the valley, and just enjoy everything. So a couple of other key notes is got some great drone footage. Even got a drone crash, and that's right, you heard me right. That's number 3. So
Motorcycle.
Yeah,
Across there.
you could hear across the river, lots of activity, like we said, heavily traveled roads. But I'm on drone number 3, stuck up there on the mountain. We would have been done with this hike long ago, but we've been throwing rocks at it, trying to get it out. Didn't work out too hot, so oh well. We'll take the footage we got, and I think I can figure out a way to put that in the video. Hopefully so. If not, then hey, you're not going to see it, and this is going to be an extremely short video. Anyways, stick around. I think you're going to enjoy this place. If you ever get a chance, come up here, check it out. It's one of our favorite places to come.